Kita bohong si Yesus. Kita gini. Kau tanggap ni. Okay. We are going to start our evening practice here in this beautiful place. I'm glad you made this time for yourself to be here. You made this commitment for your practice. Keep your back straight, gently close your eyes. Now send your loving thoughts towards yourself, thinking, I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Set your intention for your own practice. Now every breath you take in, you take out, is taken mindfully. Focus on your natural, ordinary breaths. Where's your mind? Please bring it back to the breath or present moment. Mind wanders. That is the nature of the mind. You cannot control your mind, but you can observe your mind during this time, are you observing your mind or just letting it wander around without your observation? observe your mind, observe your body. Your body is relaxed, your mind is calm, tranquil and peaceful. If you want to make a wish, this is the good time for yourself and others, sending blessings. Monks are going to chant to give blessings to all of you. Please listen to the chant mindfully and attentively. Receive the blessings. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagava arahang sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato loka anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattā deva manunsan buddho bhagavati svakkato bhagavata dhammo akaliko ehi passiko opanayiko paccantang veditambo viññu supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho ujupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka ඤාය පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටි භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි පුරිස පුංගලා ඒස භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණීයෝ අනුත්තරං පුඤ්ඤ කෙත්තං ලෝකං සාති ඒතේන සංච දුක්ඛා උපසමෙන්තු තේ ඒතේන සංච වංජේන භයා උප තුතේ ඒතේන සංච වංජේන රෝග උපසමෙන්තු තේ මහා කරුණිකෝ නාතෝ හිතාය නිනම් පුරෙත්වා පාරමී සම්බාපන්තෝ සම්බෝධි මුද්ද ඒතේන සංච වංජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගල ජයන්තෝ බෝධියා මූලේ සංඛ්‍යානං නන්දි වණ්ඩන ඒවන්තුයි අංජයෝ හෝතු ජයස්සු ජය මංගල සංකන්त्वा බුද්ධ රතනං ඕසදං උත්තමං වරං හිතං දේව බුද්ධ තේජේන සොන්තිනානං සන්තු පද්දවා සම්බේ දුක්ඛා උප තුතේ සක්කන්त्वा ධම්ම රතනං ඕසදං උත්තමං වරං පරිලාහූපසමනං ධම්ම තේජේන සොත්තිනානං පද්දවා සම්බේ භයාවූපසමින්තු තේ සංකන්त्वा රතනං ඕසදං උත්තමං වරං ආහුනේයම් පාහුනේයම් සංගතේජේන සොත්තිනානං සන්තු පද්දවා සම්බේ රෝගා උපසමෙන්තු තේ අංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විජ්ජති විවිධා පුතු සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ අංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විජ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතනං ධම්ම සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති තුතේ අංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විජ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතනං සංඝ සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං බුද්ධෝ මේ සරණං වරං සච්ච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං ධම්මෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේ හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං සංඝෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේ හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං සම්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සම්බ දේව සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සම්බ දේව සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සම්බ දේව සම්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා භවන්තු තේ දුක්ඛප්පත්තාච නිදුක්ඛාභයප්පත්තාච සෝකම්පත්තාච නිස්සෝකා හොන්තු සම්බේපි පානිනෝ ආකාසට්ටාච දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදින් චිරන් රක්칸තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මන් දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදින් චිරන් රක්칸තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මන්ටා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදින්त्वा චිරන් රක්칸තු ත්වං සදාති. I have a question to ask. So, when we meditate, most of us using this technique for meditation called the breathing. Why we focus on breath? You can focus on something else. Why breath?
It's happening now.
Oh, it's happening now. It's a good one. Yeah, happening now.
Always with us.
Always with you. Okay, always with us.
Always changing.
Always changing. Okay, good. Anything? So, there is a word in Pali and Sanskrit. In Pali, we call the Pana. That's the word for the breath. Pana. In Sanskrit, we call the Prana. We call the, when people do yoga, what they do, the end of the yoga. You heard that word? Pranayam. So focusing on the the different kind of breathing. Okay, so that's a prana. That means breath. So very short wisdom. So when you get angry, what will happen to your breath?
Fast.
Very fast. That means after having a fast breath, then what? When you have kicking fast your breath, and then what is the situation after that?
Creates energy,
Create energy. That energy, how is affecting to you? Very hurtful. The two different ways is get hurt. One, emotionally you are hurting. Other one, physically you are hurting. So when you get your fast breath, emotionally and physically you are hurting to yourself. When you take the first precept, remember some people took the precepts, annually. The first precept is called the Panati Pata. That's a Pali word. In the Sanskrit, we call the Prana Gata. So, typical translation, no killing. That's the translation. Prana means life. Gata means killing, destroying, taking life. So always when we are thinking, when we are doing taking 5 precepts, that means always we are thinking no killing. That's what many people think. Yes, killing is not good, right? No killing. So there's another meaning. Pranaghata means destroying your breath, destroying life, including your life. So you go and kill an animal, then we call the dead. How about you? When you are destroying, when you are distracting your breath every minute, every second, every day, how you are killing yourself? Little by little. Every day you are killing yourself little by little. That's why every day we have problems. Why? We don't know how to taking care of our breath, giving value to this breath, giving value to this life. It's very simple. So when you are focusing on the breath, what will happen? Then you appreciate your breath. You are respecting to your breath. You are respecting to your life. Then you feel my breath is so important to me. Value. It is not a monetary value, but you feel yourself, my life, my value to me. Then you have so much respect for your breath. Every time when you feel respectful towards your breath, first precept is almost already done. No need to work on the other animal. Why? How much you respect your breath, that much you respect to others' breath. So therefore, everything is self-centered, the self-focus. So what I'm asking you today now, when you come to meditation, you are just focusing on the breath, which is wonderful. It's beneficial to all of you. But every day, try to keep your breath calm. Every day, try to maintain your breath. Breath is very important, especially when you go to the hospital. Nurses and doctors, what they always asking you to focus. Focus on your breath. When you are doing the blood drawn, when they put the injection, what they asking? Breathe. Why? Breath helping you so many levels in your human life. Breath is very important. So, my suggestion for you this evening, always keep your breath calm, not distracted. So every time you are upset, mad, sad, angry, or whatever it is always go with your breath. So when you have those problems, when you are not just doing meditation, you are taking couple of deep breath, inhale and inhalation and exhalation. What will happen? In that second, you calm down yourself. Now think about as a practice every day when you are doing it, how much effect you get. So, couple of suggestions. Every time when you have distracted mind or difficult experience or whatever happening in your life, even you are not meditating, just keep focusing on the breath, the deep breathing, inhalation and exhalation, couple of times, then you can let go. Then you are bringing oxygen to yourself. No need to talk about those things about it. So it's bringing you so much energy into your life. Oxygen is very important. So now you can see even Buddha attained to the enlightenment using what? What is the technique he used? Breathing. Why? Breath is always there. Breath is right now with you. What you said? Always changing. Right? Always changing. So when you are focusing on the breath, in the beginning you can really feel your breath. In breath and out breath. Then you are keep focusing on your breath, it becomes subtle. Sometimes people come to me during the meditation, after meditation, Bhante, I don't feel my breath anymore. Do you think you don't have breath? You do have breath. What is that means? It is so subtle, even you don't feel it anymore. How calm, how peaceful that mind. Then people come to me and say, oh, I don't feel nothing. I don't feel any distraction. I feel so wonderful. Then I say, don't attach to it. Just be with that feeling and don't attach to it. The moment you attach to it, you lose it. So my point this evening, the breath is very important. Focus on the breath. Every time when you have distracted mind, keep breathing, keep focusing on the breath. Don't kill your breath. Don't kill your life. Otherwise, every time when you get angry or mad or upset, you are destroying yourself. It is almost like killing. This killing is different than other killing. You are killing, you are destroying yourself little by little, moment by moment, every day. Then you can see opposite side. When you are focused on the breath, you are living your life moment by moment, moment by moment. That's the beauty of other side of the breath. So therefore, please focus on your breath every day, because that is the best friend you have in your life. Breath is the best friend. Any difficult situation, what you are looking for? Looking for a family? First you have to catch your breath. So that breath, the day you born, you got it. The day you leave this world, you lose it. Until then, you have that beautiful, amazing, noble friend with you. I don't know how many people understand breath is your noble friend. So just live with your noble friend. And if you want to find the outside noble friend, which is okay, but this noble friend, you never lose. Every day with you. Okay? Think about it. So thank you so much. Have a good evening.